Hey there! Today I'm diving into a topic that's super important for young adults budgeting your monthly income effectively. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid step-by-step plan to manage your money like a pro. First up, let's talk about understanding your income. Now, this might sound obvious, but knowing exactly how much money you have coming in each month is crucial. This includes your salary, any freelance work, side gigs, and even those occasional birthday gifts from family. Jot it all down. Once you have a clear picture of your total income, it's time to move on to step 2. Step 2 is about tracking your expenses. For 1 month, keep a detailed record of every single penny you spend. Yep, I mean everything. Coffee, rent, groceries, Netflix subscription, that impulsive online shopping spree, all of it. You can use apps like Mint or just a plain old notebook. The goal here is to understand where your money is going. Now, on to step 3, categorizing your expenses. Split them into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs are things like rent, utilities and loan payments, expenses that don't change month to month. Variable costs, on the other hand, include groceries, dining out, entertainment and shopping. By categorizing, you'll see where you have room to adjust and save. Step 4 is setting financial goals. This is where it gets exciting. Think about what you want to achieve in the next 6 months, a year, or even 5 years. It could be saving for a vacation, a new gadget, or just building an emergency fund. Write down your goals and keep them realistic and achievable. On to step 5, creating a budget plan. Take your total income and allocate it towards your fixed and variable expenses. A popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Adjust the percentages based on your personal situation, but stick to the plan. Finally, step 6, review and adjust. At the end of each month, review your budget. See where you overspent and where you saved. Adjust your budget for the next month accordingly. This isn't a one-time thing. It's a continuous process. The more you review and adjust, the better you'll get at managing your finances. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to budgeting your monthly income effectively. Remember, the key is consistency and being mindful of your spending habits. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on personal finance. Catch you in the next one.